Good day, everyone. Today we will learn about one of the core responsibilities of a systems administrator, computer maintenance. Every organization depends on computers, servers, and networks to perform daily operations. Without proper maintenance, systems become slow, vulnerable to cyber threats, and more likely to experience unexpected failures. A systems administrator is responsible for keeping these systems secure, reliable, and available. In this lesson, we will explore the four major types of maintenance: preventive, corrective, predictive, and emergency maintenance. By the end of this discussion, you will understand the purpose of each type, know when to apply them, and recognize their importance in real-world environments. Computer maintenance is the process of ensuring that hardware, software, and network resources continue operating efficiently over time. It involves routine inspections, software updates, hardware cleaning, repairs, monitoring, and data protection. The goal is not only to fix problems, but also to reduce the chances of future failures. Organizations perform maintenance because computer downtime can interrupt business operations, reduce productivity, and result in financial losses. Proper maintenance improves system performance, extends the life of equipment, protects valuable information, and keeps employees productive. It is one of the most important responsibilities of every systems administrator. Computer maintenance is divided into four major categories, each serving a different purpose. Preventive maintenance focuses on preventing failures before they happen through scheduled maintenance activities. Corrective maintenance repairs problems after they occur. Predictive maintenance uses monitoring tools and performance data to detect warning signs before equipment fails. Emergency maintenance is performed immediately when a critical issue disrupts normal operations. Although these maintenance types differ in their approach, they all contribute to maintaining stable, secure, and efficient computer systems. A skilled systems administrator understands when each maintenance strategy should be applied. Preventive maintenance is the most commonly practiced maintenance strategy because it focuses on preventing problems before they occur. Instead of waiting for systems to fail, administrators perform scheduled tasks such as updating operating systems, installing security patches, cleaning computer components, scanning for malware, deleting unnecessary files, and backing up important data. These simple but consistent activities reduce the likelihood of unexpected failures and improve system performance. Organizations that perform preventive maintenance regularly usually experience fewer technical issues, lower repair costs, and longer equipment life compared to organizations that only repair systems after they fail. Corrective maintenance is performed after a fault or malfunction has already occurred. Its objective is to restore the affected system to normal operation as quickly as possible. Examples include replacing damaged hard drives, reinstalling operating systems, repairing corrupted applications, fixing network connectivity problems, or replacing broken cables. Although corrective maintenance is necessary, it often causes interruptions because users cannot continue working until repairs are completed. This is why organizations always prefer preventing problems rather than constantly repairing them. Effective preventive maintenance usually reduces the need for corrective maintenance. Predictive maintenance uses monitoring software and collected performance data to identify warning signs before failures actually happen. Modern computer systems provide information about hardware health, processor utilization, memory consumption, storage conditions, and operating temperatures. Systems administrators analyze this data to determine whether a component is beginning to fail. For example, a hard drive may report increasing bad sectors long before it completely stops working. By replacing the hardware early, organizations avoid unexpected downtime and reduce repair costs. Predictive maintenance combines technology and planning to improve system reliability. Emergency maintenance is required whenever a critical problem suddenly interrupts normal operations. Unlike other maintenance activities that can be planned, emergency maintenance requires immediate action because business services are already affected. Examples include server failures, ransomware attacks, network outages, electrical failures, and hardware breakdowns affecting critical systems. During emergencies, systems administrators first secure the affected systems, identify the root cause, restore backups if necessary, and ensure that services become available again as quickly as possible. Fast response and proper preparation are essential during emergency maintenance. This comparison makes it easier to understand the differences between the four maintenance strategies. Preventive maintenance prevents failures through scheduled activities. Corrective maintenance repairs systems after a problem has occurred. Predictive maintenance relies on monitoring and data analysis to detect future failures before they happen. Emergency maintenance focuses on restoring operations immediately when critical failures occur. While each strategy has a different objective, organizations usually combine all four approaches to achieve maximum reliability, improve performance, reduce downtime, and protect valuable business data. Successful systems administrators follow industry best practices consistently. They schedule maintenance activities instead of waiting for failures to occur. They monitor system health using specialized software, apply operating system updates promptly, and ensure antivirus definitions remain current. Administrators also perform regular backups and periodically test whether these backups can actually be restored. Every maintenance activity should be documented because records help identify recurring problems and simplify troubleshooting. Finally, organizations should maintain disaster recovery plans so that they can recover quickly from unexpected failures and minimize operational disruptions. To reinforce today's lesson, each group will present one type of computer maintenance. Group 1 will discuss preventive maintenance. Group 2 will explain corrective maintenance. Group 3 will present predictive maintenance, and Group 4 will discuss emergency maintenance. Each presentation should include a clear definition, explain its purpose, describe its advantages, and provide at least one real-world example. If possible, include screenshots, diagrams, or a simple demonstration to help explain your topic. Every member should participate during the presentation, as teamwork and communication are essential skills for future IT professionals. This activity will help deepen your understanding of the different maintenance strategies used in real organizations.